Hi friends, welcome to my channel 5 Minutes Tech. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can stop uh, opening notification panel by swiping down on anywhere on the home screen. See here. If I swipe here, swipe down, okay, anywhere in the home screen, and it opens notification panel. Okay, so in sometimes I will get irritating if notification bar is opening when I touch something accidentally like this. Okay, so if you want to stop it, yes, you can do it. Just go to the settings and click on home screen, and then just you go to turn off this button, swipe down for notification panel. Now if you swipe here, it will not open. Okay, only swiping from the notification status bar, that is swiping from the status bar, it will open. Okay, so in this way you can easily control swiping down for notification panel in my phone Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all friends, thanks for watching, thanks for watching, bye.